Hi, welcome to Urban Insights. I'm Jayashree. I have with me Dr. Renu Rana. She is the director of the Arise Group. Thank you so much for joining us, Renu. Renu, very briefly, tell us about your company, your role within your company, and how many people report into you. I mean, how big is it? Just give us a sense of your organization.
If I talk about Arise Group, ma'am, for me, it's been 21 years now in real estate. I started my career in 2004 from the real estate company, and with Arise Group, this company has been formed by me. I'm here as a director for heading all the departments, all the verticals for Arise. So Arise, we have multiple projects in Delhi NCR, and we are expanding pan India as well. Recently, we have launched a project. It's an Uber luxury mall. We have launched on Dwarka Expressway. Then we have a project on SPR Road. We are soon planning to launch a residential high-end luxury project that is in Sector 49, South City 2. Then we have plans in Karnal Market, then Panchkula, and many more projects we have planned with Arise Group. So I'm here taking care of sales, marketing, involvement in land acquisition, coordinating with the licensing team for getting the all RERA approvals, and everything being involved in this group.
Mhm.
And almost I will be saying entire all the departments are reporting to me, and I'm reporting to Mr. Aman Sharma and Mr. Vipin Sharma. They are the chairman for the group.
Okay. And how long have you been with Naradko Mahi?
Naradko Mahi have recently joined, ma'am. It's been 2 months with Naradko Mahi, but I have been very well connected with the Naradko Mahi team. Connected with Ananta ji since last couple of years, I would say, and she is my role model also in real estate.
Yeah. And you were part of the Singapore study tour, right?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
did you
Yes.
expect to get out of that, and what were your experiences there?
In fact, first for the Singapore Mahi trip, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the entire Naradko Mahi management for organizing such a wonderful study tour to Singapore. And this trip has given me invaluable opportunity to collaborate with esteemed international architect, to engage with the High Commission in Singapore. And if I talk about my experience, it was truly enriching, featuring excellent public relation interaction, team building exercise, and everything was well managed and well organized. So
Okay.
every aspect of the trip was properly planned, executed, and everything was fantastic.
What did you learn there?
Yes.
What
If you talk
what
about my overall learning from this trip, ma'am. So from this study trip, I had a good experience and deep understanding on how the city has been developed, the urban areas, the real estate project. Here we met the industry leaders, high commission, architects, visited various projects, and by this seeing everything, and we got to know how Singapore manages its city planning, building designs, how we can attract HNIs, investors, and equity partners to collaborate in India. And on one more the thing what I have seen and I have learned there in Singapore trip, that was the sustainable urban development, how they are utilizing it, how they are utilizing the green spaces, the parks, the garden, and to build a modern city. And then innovative architectural practices also, how we can implement that in our project, being in this sector, how we can implement everything in our project as well.
absolutely. If I were to ask you to pick up four takeaways that you learned there that you will come and implement within your own organization, what would they be?
We had a very detailed, good interaction and meeting with the Spark team. So, means if I see about the architecture, we are coming up, as I said, we are coming up with the multiple residential and commercial luxury project. So, we would be implementing the green building concept, sustainable urban development concept, that how we can sustainable products we can use in our company, in our projects. Then the key aspects, the architecture, the facades, the landscaping, the designing of overall concept and everything, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And if there were future study tours, would you be part of it?
Yes, ma'am. It would be my pleasure to being a part of this future tours also.
Yeah. And Renu, tell me if now that you've picked up what you would like to implement within your own organization, was this one interaction enough, or would you like further reiterations, of your Singapore?
We would like to meet the people again, like the architects we met once, we need to meet them again. Also, in our meeting with the High Commissioner Singapore, we discussed about the public activities and funds introducing in India, about the Indian communities which are there in that Singapore market. So in our last interaction, we had discussion with them where they would be providing a certain connection, the leads where we can directly get in touch with them. So we need to get in touch with the concerned people we met to get more focused business for our project.
Thank you so much for joining us, Renu.
Found this video useful? Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Do like and share with as many people as you can.